Right, Mure Zimbabwe. We have to talk about this one. This is crazy. It is crazy. Right now, vakomana chero vakaedza kudii vari pama1. So regai ndikutaridzei screenshot panapa yapresident Mnangagwa vaposta something, and you have to understand vanga vari kuuniversity of Zimbabwe vanga vachivhura chavanga vachivhura, but chandikuda kuti muunderstande its the tension in the country, right? So first of all regai ndipinde mupost yavo, and then we'll get to what the people, right? Hanzi, it was my distinct honor and privilege to officially commission 2 signature developments at the University of Zimbabwe, the Industrial Incubation Center and the Specialist Medical Center. These projects are a clear validation of our heritage-based education 5.0 model. Our higher and tertiary institutions remain critical cogs in the ongoing industrialization, modernization, and economic development of our great nation. I congratulate the University of Zimbabwe for realizing yet another landmark achievement and successfully completing these vital facilities. The Ministry of Health and Child Care, together with related agencies, are directed to remove the barriers of entry in the establishment of specialist healthcare facilities and services. Hatidi gatekeepers nemacartels muhealth sector. Vanhu vedu vachitadza kurapwa zvakanaka nemutengo uri pasi. Kwete, ngative nehanya tikoshese utano hwevanhu vekwedu. Let those with ears hear this stern exhortation. Right, mune Zimbabwe ndipresident Mnangagwa ari kutaura izvi. Ina ndiri kutaura zvakawanda asi uda kutaura zvakawanda, asi ndikuda kutaridzai kuti at this stage Mnangagwa anogona kutaura zvaataura, but people are already going their own way. Now, let's get into that comment section. Iri kutrenda, iri kupisa pa Facebook right now in the Zimbabweans, South Africans. This is the funny part, South Africans and Zimbabweans. Vakabatana, vari kubvisa emasoro. Inzwai. So first tina Spusiso Hanzi, perhaps animals are wiser than humans, for they do not willingly follow a foolish leader. And then Hanzi na zim much. Hanzi, 31 July. You must prepare. Bakumana. Apa Mnangagwa kutaura zve2 madzina avhura kuUniversity of Zimbabwe, which I think is good, but you know, not at this stage. Hanzi chinzwai manje the activism. Hanzi na Atiboy Mutetwa. Free Bekimpilo Mbeds. Hanzi na Shanteo. Free Bekimpilo Mbeds and all the Zimbabweans. Wena Mnangagwa, you have failed us as a nation, and don't try to convince us otherwise. The march is still happening. No to 2030, no to your new constitutional amendment bill number 3. Enough is enough. You can hear with my comments. Tender hanzi na Slondiwe Bengu uyu ari kutoresa flag yekuti muSouth African. Hanzi free Bekimpilo Mbeds ndobva isazi poster not guilty, free Bekimpilo Mbeds. Mure Zimbabwe. Saka it's the same thing chero tikadzika nemacomments wherever kwatosvika now. It's the same thing. Free Bekimpilo Mbeds. Wena Sivindi say okay hanzi no to 2030 mdara bata ipapo. No to 2030 pabate ipapo. Ndi Andrew mure Zimbabwe hobo vanhu vari vachiti free zviri pafacebook is trending right now. Vanhu vari kutongotaura free Bekimpilo Mbeds, free Nyatsimba Mutota, free them. Anditi so unenge uchiti uri president wani, uri kutungamirira ani? Anditi hatisi kuona. So mure Zimbabwe ikaka ka quick update. So ndichakavharira panapa. Stay tuned, more fire is coming. Ndino wenyu Super Nexus. Peace.